Initial login update for previous Infolinx users only. After you log in with the new website address, ruckers.gimmal.com, you will need to update your location information. On the bottom of the page, please select and copy the 10-digit user barcode number located next to your name. Then, click on the dashboard icon on the top of the page. Select the Preferences bar on the left-hand side of the pop-up screen. Scroll down so that the Files and Boxes options are showing. Paste your 10-digit user barcode number into the following boxes: File, default current location; Files, default request location; Boxes, default current location; and Boxes, default request location. Click on the Save button in the top right corner of your pop-up window. Click on the X to close the pop-up window. You are now ready to use the application.